So I'm Lars Hegdahl, Great Southwestern Construction Safety Engineer. I'm also the Director of Operations for our UAV integration. So today we're going to be going over some of the custom tool applications that Procore is allotted for. So with the custom tools that Procore has, we have the opportunity to not only utilize BotLink, but other drone services as well. In this we see some of the orthomosaic imaging that we took from a job site. And this actually allows us to measure distances. You can see there automatically giving you the direct links correlated on the job site, area measurements, as well as volumetric analysis. So with the volumetric analysis tool, within just a couple of clicks, we can actually analyze the volumetrics of the stockpile on a job site. Okay, so over here, we're actually clicking through, and in real time, that's actually calculating the data that we need to determine what's really in that pile. So instead of sending someone out to the job site, we're doing all of that on a screen and getting the exact same data within just a few cubic inches of what we're really trying to look for. Not only does the custom tool application in Procore allow us to analyze volumetrics, distances, and those type of calculations, but being able to view in real time 3D modeling for our job sites is phenomenal. So here we have a 3D model that was developed of a job site. And again, we're viewing all of this in Procore, and that's the big deal. We're not having to transfer between programs on our desktop. We're able to do everything within Procore. And so we're actually able to take this image and in dialogue with our customers, walk them through the whole process of what we're experiencing on site. So what site conditions are like, what materials are needed, anything like that is all available through these 3D modeling images. It gives you the perspective as if you're actually there, which is hugely important, taken in context when you're describing events either in an incident report, a job site condition report, or anything of that matter. So here we have a custom map that I built of one of our substations. And so we had a situation where we wanted to be able to put into context exactly what was happening on the job site and when it was happening. And so I was actually able to build this map out and then hyperlink the actual job site photos onto the map. And not only that, we're additionally able to hyperlink the regulatory compliance. You're having all of your information live in one spot on one map, if that makes sense. Okay, so for example, on this map, we have the ability to map out the job sites, right? That's great. But unless it's given in context, what good does it do? So we actually map out specifically for that map, and then we show in context, again, what's happening on that job site. Who's on that job site? What processes are going on? Like in this instance, it's all about safe climbing practices, right? Was everyone wearing their fall protection? Was everyone actually where they said they were supposed to be during the task hazard analysis for this morning? Are they following proper T&D procedures? Are they doing what they said they were going to do on site? Is the rigging inspected? All of that can be told through a single photograph, and that photograph lives in Procore, making it available for everyone in the company to view. So again, that transparency to what we do is hugely beneficial because it improves our safety record as well as allowing customers to overview what we're saying we're doing. And then on the regulatory compliance side, we're actually able to tie in the OSHA regulations directly to that link. So giving us the availability of tying in exactly what the requirements are for that job site. Again, it's all living in one place, which gives us the opportunity to not only be in compliance, but excel at the standard, right? We want to be able to set the standard for the industry. The only way we're going to do that is by digitizing the format by which we operate. That workflow is just streaming you right through the process. And it's very, very intuitive. That's what's the best thing about it is the custom tools allow for an intuitive workflow that you can develop yourself. That's like my favorite part. And that wouldn't be possible unless it was for the open API. It's all open API. So click, 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 walks you through the whole process. Very, very, very intuitive.